Necessary video by WapTech. Spaceballs, the UPS store. John Jeffrey Blincow, doing business as Gateway Spaceport, Orbital Assembly Corporation, LLC Foundation, or Project. Suite 324 was actually just a P.O. box at a UPS store at 8780 19th Street, Rancho Cucamonga, Alta Loma, California, 91701. His 2015 image registration or image trademark or image mark, word mark, and trademarks were all abandoned as of 2017 as no statement of use or extension request was filed in a timely manner after notice of allowance was issued. 2018 transaction final date and 2021 as of application refused, dismissed, or invalidated officially. And he also, this is public data. The individual name known as John Blincow posted all of this using California's Securities and Exchange Commission rules. Okay? What that means is he had to leave a physical address, not just the mailing address. Now, at that point, he had claimed that he had received some money as investment money, and the total finances of the company was extremely low, like less than $1,000. Most likely that he had issued like something like 100,000 or 1,000 shares or whatever. You can read it. I'll have the links below. But he'd only gotten something like a couple of $1,000 or something, maybe 7,000. It depends on which page you look it up at. If you look him up by the phone number that was used or by the address, which is the P.O. box, you find listing after listing after listing because Mr. Blincow went out of his way to do this to where everything is traceable and knowable. I repeat, this individual is running a P.O. box out of a UPS store and trying to build an orbiting spaceport by telling you over and over again in a set of videos that you can look up that it exists or will exist anytime soon. He just needs investment money. And I'll sell you a bridge in Brooklyn. Anyway, he might try to flag my video and other people's videos. Warning, Mr. Blincow has had his trademark and wordmark applications thrown out as of 2017 because he abandoned them. I have a trademark and wordmark through a company name, an LLC, that I did years ago. All I had to do was find a place that would never invalidate them so I could keep them going. It's how I do some of my business on the internet. Look up J.J. Luna's How to Be Invisible and see where this comes from. Again, I'm going to repeat myself. Suite 324 is actually just a P.O. box. This is a gigantic red flag. Next, I'm not using any of the copyrighted data from the videos that he has or anything else, so that can't be flagged. It's a picture of a UPS store. Okay? The guy has a video where you can see the original source of the video was a internet artist that I hope got paid for that animation. It was a Fiverr request. So no, if you're looking up John or Jeffrey Blincow, and no, I'm not going to get sued for this being in quotes and it being a word mark because it was thrown out. He's going to have to apply again. This individual has no content and no promise for you. I would recommend against investing unless at least he uses his real physical address. Also, he does have a physical address. It's a rather understated single family home with a normal-looking garage and front yard on it that's also in the SEC filings for California for the copyright and trademark. And it's not legal for this individual to erase that. Again, I'm going to repeat myself. The Gateway Spaceport Orbital Assembly Corp LLC Foundation project or whatever that lists Suite 324 is literally just a P.O. box of somebody trying to get investment money for a pie-in-the-sky project that the only thing this individual has done is getting debunked by Thunderfoot and then flagging his video for a copyright violation or something. And again, I don't have any lawyers, and I'm not really powerful, But I think everybody needs to point out that if something leads to a UPS store and the suite number is actually a P.O. box, that should just be that the person says, yeah, I use a P.O. box for privacy reasons. He's not saying that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. Please don't invest in this person or project.